Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make some pork ribs. This method is really simple. We're going to boil them with some aromatics, a few different pieces here and there, give them some lovely flavor, pump that into it. Then we're going to make the easiest, beautiful, tangy sauce ever. And then we're going to serve them, and then we're going to eat them. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so you saw me just drop in some pork ribs into some cold water. The gas is now on high. I've got 18 pieces there. The weight's about, I think it's like 1.5 kg. Here, I've got some ginger. Sliced ginger, you can chop it however you want. There's like an inch or so just there to get it in. Star anise, in that goes. Maybe 3 star anise there. And then I've got some lemongrass. I've got some fresh lemongrass. What I've done is I've just beaten the ends of it to kind of release its flavor. In it goes. And then salt. Now what we're going to do here is pump all these lovely flavors into this pork. If you want, you can get some black peppercorns in there, some garlic, chop some onion in there. Go whichever route you like. I'm just going with the ginger, lemongrass and the star anise. I'm going to bring that to the boil. Once it's at boiling point, we're going to let it go for about 8 minutes. Okay, 8, 9, 10 minutes or so. Off goes the heat. Simply, I'm going to drain them off, discard the water and the bits, separate the ribs, set them to one side. We can move on. And there you can see the ribs, just separated them out. It's going to leave them to cool down. We can move on now to make a delicious sauce. So we're now going to make a really simple sauce for these ribs. 1 cup ketchup, 1 cup water, 1 cup oyster sauce, 1 cup soy sauce. Now I'm using a dark soy sauce. You could use light if you want. 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and then here I've got about 6 cloves of garlic that I've roughly sliced. We don't need any salt in this because fish sauce really salty, and then we've got salt in the soy and the oyster sauce. We're going to get this together in absolutely no time. So you need a pot or wok or something like that. The heat's on. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a canola oil. You could use a different oil if you want. About 3 tablespoons. We're going to drop in our garlic, and we're just going to throw that around medium heat just for like 3 minutes. That garlic's really going to kind of infuse that oil. Next up, we're going to add in 1 cup of water. One cup of tomato ketchup. One cup oyster sauce. And 1 cup of soy. I'm using a dark soy, so it's slightly thicker, but you could use light if you want. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and a teaspoon of black pepper. If you wanted, you could be putting some ginger in here. You could be putting in some star anise or some 5-spice powder. I'm going just like this. A little quick mix. And then we're going to get our ribs and we're going to put them all in. We're then going to go from a medium heat to just above a simmer, not a simmer, just above it. We're going to throw these ribs around in this beautiful sauce for about 6 minutes, and it's job done, and they are absolutely fabulous. We're just going to spoon this around, keep it nice and low, keep them going. They really are going to be really good. Okay, that's it. Off goes the heat. They are banging. Like, they're really, really good. Let me get them on a plate. Okay, so on a plate, a few sesame seeds on the top, topped again with some green onions. They are just magnificent. They take no time at all. And yeah, they're just super juicy and lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.